GitHub. In this presentation, we will explore the world of GitHub, a powerful platform that has revolutionized the way developers collaborate and manage their code. GitHub is a web-based platform that serves as a hub for version control and collaboration, primarily used for software development. At its core, GitHub is built on the Git version control system, which is a distributed version control system that allows developers to track changes in their source code during the software development process. GitHub takes the power of Git and provides a user-friendly interface, as well as a range of additional features and tools to enhance the development workflow. Through GitHub, developers can host and manage their code repositories, track changes, and collaborate with others on projects. This collaborative nature of GitHub has made it an essential tool in the software development industry, enabling teams to work together seamlessly, share code, and contribute to each other's projects. In the following slides, we will dive deeper into the key features and functionalities of GitHub, exploring how it can benefit developers and teams of all sizes. GitHub offers a wide range of features that make it an invaluable tool for software development teams. Let's dive into some of the key features that make GitHub so powerful. Version control. At the heart of GitHub is its version control capabilities. Developers can track changes in their code, revert to previous versions, and collaborate on projects seamlessly. This allows teams to maintain a clear history of their project's evolution, making it easier to debug issues, experiment with new features, and ensure code integrity. Collaboration. GitHub enables developers to work together on projects, review each other's code, and provide feedback. This collaborative nature fosters a culture of shared knowledge, peer learning, and collective problem-solving, which is essential for the success of any software project. Repository management. GitHub provides a centralized platform to host and manage code repositories. Developers can easily organize and access their project files, making it simpler to navigate and collaborate on large-scale projects. Issue tracking. GitHub's issue tracking system allows developers to report, track, and discuss bugs, feature requests, and other project-related tasks. This helps teams stay organized, prioritize their work, and ensure that all issues are addressed in a timely manner. Continuous integration and deployment. GitHub integrates with various tools and services to enable automated testing, building, and deployment of applications. This streamlines the development workflow, reduces the risk of manual errors, and ensures that changes are quickly and reliably delivered to users. These features, combined with GitHub's user-friendly interface and extensive ecosystem of integrations, make it a powerful platform for software development teams of all sizes. Now that we've covered the key features of GitHub, let's discuss how to get started with this powerful platform. The first step is to create a GitHub account. You can visit the GitHub website at github.com/ and sign up for a new account. This will give you access to the GitHub platform and allow you to start managing your code repositories. Next, you'll need to set up Git on your local machine. Git is the underlying version control system that powers GitHub, and you'll need to install it and configure it to work with your GitHub account. This will enable you to use Git commands to interact with your GitHub repositories. Once you have your GitHub account and Git set up, you can create a new repository to host your project's code. This repository will serve as the central hub for your project, where you and your team can collaborate, track changes, and manage your code base. After creating your repository, you can start committing and pushing your code changes to GitHub. Using Git commands, you can add, commit, and push your code to the remote repository hosted on GitHub. As you progress, you can invite team members to collaborate on your project by granting them access to your repository. This will allow your team to work together, review each other's code, and contribute to the project. Finally, be sure to explore the various features of GitHub, such as issue tracking, pull requests, and GitHub Actions. These tools can greatly enhance your development workflow and help you manage your projects more effectively. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to getting started with GitHub and leveraging its powerful capabilities for your software development projects. Collaboration is a key aspect of GitHub, and the platform offers several features to facilitate effective teamwork and contribution to projects. One of the core collaborative features is forking a repository. This allows you to create a copy of a repository that you don't own, enabling you to make changes and experiment without affecting the original project. Once you've made your changes, you can submit a pull request to the project maintainers, proposing your contributions for review and potential inclusion in the main codebase. Another important aspect of collaboration on GitHub is branching and merging. Developers can create separate branches to work on new features or bug fixes, and then merge those changes back into the main branch when they're ready. This allows for parallel development and experimentation while maintaining the integrity of the main codebase. Pull requests are a crucial part of the collaboration process on GitHub. When you've made changes to a repository and want to contribute them back, you can submit a pull request. This allows the project maintainers to review your code, provide feedback, and ultimately decide whether to merge your changes into the main project. Code reviews are another essential collaborative feature on GitHub. Team members can review each other's code, provide feedback, and ensure code quality before it's merged into the main code base. This helps maintain code standards, identify potential issues, and foster a culture of shared responsibility and continuous improvement. Finally, GitHub's notification system and discussion forums enable effective communication and collaboration among team members. Developers can stay informed about project updates, discussions, and issues, and engage in conversations to help resolve problems and make decisions. By leveraging these collaborative features, teams can work together seamlessly, share knowledge, and contribute to the success of their software projects. GitHub has become a central hub for the open source community, hosting millions of repositories for various open source projects. This makes GitHub an invaluable resource for developers who want to contribute to and collaborate on open source initiatives. One of the key aspects of GitHub's role in the open source ecosystem is the ability for developers to contribute to existing projects. By forking repositories and submitting pull requests, developers can propose changes, fix bugs, and add new features to open source projects. This collaborative approach helps to improve the quality and functionality of these projects, benefiting the entire community. GitHub also provides tools and features that make it easier for developers to discover and explore relevant open source projects based on their interests and needs. This helps to connect developers with the projects they're most passionate about, fostering a vibrant and engaged open source community. Many open source projects on GitHub use permissive licenses, such as the MIT license or the Apache license, which encourage collaboration and contribution from the community. This open and collaborative approach is a fundamental aspect of the open source movement, and GitHub's platform helps to facilitate and promote this culture. Furthermore, GitHub's features, such as issues, discussions, and project management tools, help to foster community engagement and collaboration around open source projects. Developers can report bugs, suggest improvements, and engage in discussions with project maintainers and other contributors, ensuring that the project evolves in a way that meets the needs of the community. By embracing the open source ecosystem and providing a platform for collaboration, GitHub has become an essential tool for developers who want to contribute to and participate in the development of innovative and impactful open source projects. While GitHub is widely known for its role in the open source community, it also offers a range of features and capabilities that make it a valuable tool for businesses and organizations of all sizes. One of the key advantages of using GitHub in a business or organizational context is the availability of enterprise-grade features. GitHub offers advanced security, access controls, and team management tools to meet the specific needs of larger entities. This allows businesses to maintain tight control over their codebase and development processes while still benefiting from the collaborative and productivity-enhancing features of the platform. GitHub's collaboration features, such as code reviews, issue tracking, and project management, can significantly improve team productivity and streamline software development workflows. By providing a centralized platform for collaboration, businesses can foster better communication, ensure code quality, and track the progress of their projects more effectively. Another important aspect of GitHub for businesses is its integration with various tools and services for continuous integration and deployment. This allows organizations to automate their software delivery process, reducing the risk of manual errors and ensuring that changes are quickly and reliably deployed to users. Businesses and organizations can also leverage GitHub's open source ecosystem to collaborate with the broader developer community, contribute to projects, and stay up to date with industry trends. This can help organizations stay innovative, tap into a wealth of knowledge and expertise, and potentially contribute back to the open source community. Finally, GitHub provides features and tools to help businesses and organizations maintain compliance with industry regulations and internal governance policies. This is particularly important for organizations operating in highly regulated industries, where maintaining strict control over their code base and development processes is crucial. By embracing GitHub's enterprise-level capabilities, businesses and organizations can streamline their software development workflows, improve collaboration, and maintain compliance, all while benefiting from the platform's powerful features and the broader open-source ecosystem. In summary, GitHub is a powerful platform that has revolutionized the way developers collaborate and manage their code. It offers a wide range of features, including version control, collaboration, repository management, issue tracking, and continuous integration deployment, making it an essential tool for software development teams. To get started with GitHub, you'll need to create an account, set up Git on your local machine, and start creating and managing your code repositories. GitHub also provides a wealth of opportunities for collaboration, allowing developers to contribute to open source projects, discover new initiatives, and engage with the broader developer community. For businesses and organizations, GitHub offers enterprise-level features such as advanced security, access controls, and team management tools to meet the specific needs of larger entities. Additionally, GitHub's collaboration features, integration with other services, and compliance-focused tools make it a valuable asset for streamlining software development workflows and maintaining governance and regulatory requirements. By leveraging the power of GitHub, developers, teams, and organizations can enhance their productivity, improve code quality, and foster a culture of collaboration and innovation in the software development landscape.